Hey friends, we are back from vacation. Don't mind me, I'm gonna massage my shoulder while I talk to you guys. It's just like one of those little rolly things. We got back from Jellystone vacation about a week ago. It was amazing, and my mother-in-law and brother-in-law have been here for the past week, so it's been a little chaotic but so fun. I catched up on laundry, got things done around the house, was able to get some work done. We ate good, let me just tell you that. We did sushi, we did dim sum, we did boiling crab situation without the crab, with the shrimp, like the shrimp boil. Drove my mother-in-law down the strip at night so she can hoot and haw and see all the lights. It was fun. It was really fun catching up. We are on to more things. We've got a lot going on. We are 2 weeks out from summer break, so we're finishing up the semester for the elementary schoolers. The homeschoolers are trying to get as much done. I think we're going to go a little bit into summer because we've had some lax days where I'm trying not to be so strict. I need to do a homeschool update with you guys because there's been a lot going on, okay? Not everything went as planned. I'll talk about that in another video. On top of all that fun stuff, I got a couple PR packages in the mail I want to unbox with you guys. The reason why I'm leaving the house right now is because Mother's Day is coming up. So I need to grab a couple things from Dollar Tree to finish off my 2 Mother's Day gifts for my mom and my mother-in-law. I'll show you guys what I got them later. It's really creative. You can pop into Target and get everything that you need and ship it right away. I didn't want to send flowers or chocolates or gift baskets. I wanted to make something, but I needed it to be affordable and easy and quick, but I think this was a cute idea. All right, I got more at Costco than I thought. What else is new? But I did get some good things at the Dollar Tree as well. Big stuff in first, and I'll show you when I got it home. School pickup time, having a little bit of a snack. I got these things for the first time, and I'm actually really impressed with the flavor. Bucetto Foods California Snackin'. They're like salami and provolone cheese. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's go home. I'm gonna show you a grocery haul and all the other things. Let's do some unboxing. Homeschoolers, are you almost done?
Yes.
Yep. How much longer do you have?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay, let's get it done. As usual, I picked up more at Costco than I quite needed, but I feel, yeah. Oh, hi. Got a couple new things I wanted to show you guys. 30 butter croissants. Frozen delight will warm your heart. That's what it says. So I just thought we love the croissants, so we might as well get a frozen box of it. This was about 14, 15 bucks for 30 of them. Good deal. We'll see if we like them. We could just pop them in the air fryer and have fresh ones in the morning. I always get these steamed dumplings, and they're actually $3 or $4 off this time, making them only $10. I love these for like my lunch. And then I got 2 lasagnas because this is perfect with some salad and some bread for a quick dinner. So I like having these in the freezer.
Delicious.
Hold on, baby, I'm almost done. And these are really good. I actually take, oh my goodness. There's 6 packets in here. I take 2 and then I steam some rice and I add it with a little bit of soy sauce to kind of like, you know, make it stretch further with a larger family. I like to have these on hand for quick lunches or snacks. And then this is new at Costco, some extra crispy fries. This is only $8 for this large pack, so I thought we'd try that. This is just go to, like, you know, by the pool food. Got some Squeeze-Its for the baby, sourdough, because it's the only bread I eat right now. It's much better for you. And then I've seen these so many times, but I don't know. I can make my own, you know, but they remind me of Eivelskivers, which are a Danish pancake that my grandmother used to make. So I thought we'd try it because they were on sale today. And then this is going to be our lunch, just a quick taco lunch. I love the lime crema sauce. Picked up some raspberries and some pesto. We're going to have some pasta dishes this week. So we got some spaghetti with some pesto, and I'm going to shred up one of these chickens to go with it with some salad. And then I got some ground beef because I'm going to make some other meals with ground beef this week. These are to like put in my office mini fridge for snacks when I'm editing on the computer. And I thought these would be good for me for the morning time to get breakfast in me. I'm having a hard time eating breakfast in the morning, so maybe if I had something like this, it may work. bananas, and these are everyone's favorite snacks. And pot stickers will go with the fried rice that's over there for like a quick meal. There's already frozen veggies in it, so it's like actually a complete meal. And then this is like my biggest tip. Feeding a large family, you don't know what to do. Grab some rotisserie chickens, grab some salmons. One night you can do salmon, rice, broccoli, or salad. And the other night you can do chicken salad, or you could do salmon salad. So this will make like 3 different meals with all the rice and things that I have on hand. When I don't know what to cook, I get this, and then we just go with the flow and see what combination we want to make. Okay. What else? We are going to put everything away. We're going to finish homeschooling. We're going to get ready because they have training. We have volleyball and football training tonight. So the kids need to finish up what they're doing, get ready, and we're going to head out. The show continues. Do you guys have homework?
No.
Not today? Okay, we'll see.
No.
All right, we're back home from all of our things. I'm going to unbox this PR package from Rev Air. You guys know I love Rev Air. And I'm really excited because they're giving me the newer line that I have not tried yet. So I think it will work a little bit better for my hair and for my little girls. And they gave us 3 different packages. I already got a little excited and went through it. So now it's time to show you guys. I took things out of the bags. My favorite one that I've been using for a while for my older girls, because they have very thick, dense, gorgeous hair, is the Rev Air Extreme Hydration line, because hydration is so important for them. So they gave me the cleansing oil shampoo. Notice it has oil in it. It will not dry hair while cleansing. So it has oil in it, which I really, really like. Deep conditioning treatment. Detox pre-wash rinse, and then moisture rich hair and scalp oil. I love to use this after a style, after braids, just kind of moisturize their scalp. Love that. Also on top of that, probably my favorite product ever is the Hydrate and Nourish Protect Detangle. Okay, this right here is just all day, every day. Okay, before you detangle, if you need a little spritz throughout the day to add some moisture, I just love it. It's a leave-in conditioner. This is the one that I have not tried yet. This is the Boost Fullness line. So this is probably something that I would use because I'm not getting any younger, so I want to maintain my fullness. We've got Rejuvenating Conditioner. This has biotin turmeric extract in it. And then we have the Revitalizing Shampoo. Then we have a Nourishing Scalp and Hair Conditioning Leave-In Treatment with biotin. This is what I'm probably going to be using all day, every day. On top of that, we got a whole new set of their Extreme Hydration line. So they sent us 2 full sets. Like, girls, this is like a dream PR package, okay? Because I love doing my girls' hair. My daughter loves doing hair. I am all about hair being natural and healthy and clean. Put the links to everything here in case you want to try it. Ask me any questions. I've been using the Extreme Hydration line for like over a year now, so let me know if you have questions, and I'll put some links and my discount code to order if you're curious, because it really is an amazing line. Okay, what else? I think I got one more PR package. Let me go get it. Yeah, I'm so excited. Are you excited? Yeah, okay. Look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness. Hello, Christy. I hope you are well. Here are a few products to add to your self-care regimen. We've included the following products. Like, these products are right up my alley. I'm 42 years old, okay? So just regular like face wash doesn't work for me. So they really kept that in mind when they sent this PR package. Like, I am so excited. I've only tried 2 of their products ever, and it looks like both of those are in here. So I'm very thankful that those are in there so I don't have to buy another one in the store, but I see that there's some other things I have not tried. Well, I have tried this one, Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Absolutely love it. I love that this is a large bottle with a pump. I'm going to keep this one in the shower. And then this one I'll use after the shower because this is a triple repair moisturizing cream. It replenishes for 48 hours of hydration. I can even use it on babies and adults. I can use it on my baby. Extra dry skin for body and face. And then this one I have used and love. I've used about 4 bottles of this, but this one actually has SPF 30. I'm not sure if my other one did, but I'm going to be using this summer for sure. Football games are coming quick, and I'm going to be in that hot sun in the stands. And we got Retinol B3 Serum. Mama needs that retinol. Vitamin C. This is really good for evening your skin tone and to make it brighter. Need this for sure. Very excited about this. This is a Body and Face 100 broad spectrum SPF. Paw Patrol, where? Okay, in a minute, okay? This Melt in Milk sunscreen. Excited for that. And then the last but not least, we have more retinol. This is for deep wrinkles, photo aging. I need this for sure. Anti-aging intense treatment. Yes. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm just gonna say, for some reason, I'm not one of those content creators that receives PR packages. I don't know what's happening. The spring is in the air, and I just got a couple within 1 week, which is definitely unheard of. I don't know. I feel like I need to join more PR lists because I love getting free things and I don't get it very much. So if you want to send me something, I will share it. Okay? If I like it. We're going to move throughout the day. Look how cute my son's braids are. My daughter did them. I love your braids. I love them. You're welcome. They turned out so good. They're so cute. I feel like I haven't had much vitamin C lately in the sun, so I'm going to spend about 15 minutes out here, let my baby play in the sandbox and the pool. By the way, we got a new sandbox. I forgot, I didn't show you. My husband built it last night. Do you want to show them? Okay. I ended up, yes, it's your sandbox. We ended up getting this from Amazon. It was sold out at Walmart, so whatever. I got it on Amazon.com. Came in a couple days, and then we bought 100 pounds of play sand. So, I don't know, it wasn't that much. I think the sandbox was $50 and the play sand was like $24 for each 50-pound pack. So, yeah, for $100, Dad built it. Dad built it. So for $100, we have a play sand. Do you love your beach? Yeah, we love the beach.
I want to go again.
Okay, go again. Go beach. Having my first cup of coffee for the day, and we are already very late in the afternoon. Something's wrong today.